my lovelies, welcome back again to Dubs' Delight. Today I'm here to share with you another porridge recipe, and this is one of Ghana's street style porridge recipes, and it is nothing but this delicious wheat porridge. Please keep watching as I show you how to get it exactly like the street style ones. Of course, let's go through a list of ingredients. You need some wheat flour, sugar, which is optional, some salt, butter, and one secret ingredient which I'll show you later. Make sure to wash your wheat very well. I'm using broken wheat and you can see the dirt and the particles in there, which you do not need. So make sure to wash it thoroughly to get rid of all these particles. Please note that only broken wheat works for me. I tried the whole wheat and it didn't work for this recipe, so make sure to get your hands on the broken ones. Once washing is done, fill it with enough water and allow it to sit overnight, okay? So that you can cut your cooking time into half. It's been overnight now. Get rid of the water and transfer everything to your pot. Add enough water to be able to cook your wheat through. Because wheat takes longer time to cook, you need enough water for it, okay? Once it comes to a boil, make sure to stir everything. It has the tendency of burning, so make sure to stir it regularly. It's been a cooking time of about 20 minutes. I will add my salt to taste and give it another stir. I told you cooking wheat requires a lot of water, so I'm going to add some more now. Give it a quick stir and cover it partially. While that boils away, I'll transfer my wheat flour into a bowl, add enough water and mix everything to combine. Once it's well combined, I will add everything to my porridge. Now this will help thicken your wheat porridge, as if you use the wheat alone, it might not be thick, okay? So please add this. And make sure that while you add the wheat flour mixture, you stir it, okay? Stir it, because if you do not stir it, it will cause your wheat porridge to be lumpy. If you're still here, thank you so much for being here. Please do not forget to subscribe, like this video, comment, and share. Now onto our secret ingredient, which is some nutmeg. I was super surprised when I discovered this. It gives it that distinct street style flavor, so don't omit it. Again, add some butter, which gives it a very nice flavor. This wheat porridge is filled with so much flavor and deliciousness. Make sure to stir everything to combine, and you can see that our wheat porridge is almost there. Partially cover it, making sure to stir it intermittently, and it's now time to add your sweetener, which I am using some brown sugar. If you do not like sugar, you can omit this and use some date syrup, which I have shared the recipe with you. I will show you how to add it at the end of the video as well. So after a total of about 1 hour and 30 minutes to 2 hours, our wheat porridge is ready. Smells so good and tasted even better. This is definitely worth trying. If you'll be trying this, please leave in the comment section. I'll be trying this and let me know what you think later. Of course, you know that I never leave my evaporated milk out of my porridges, and it's super delicious. Just look at that thickness. Oh, it was super amazing. Definitely worth trying. As I mentioned, if you do not like sugar, you can always use dates syrup, which is a healthier option, and I have shared the recipe with you. You can find it in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to like, comment, and share. Bye for now.